my car. Welcome to Poeboys. I'm in the same outfit as last time because it's the same freaking day. We just polished the forces, but you don't know that because that happened a few days ago, but it's happening today. Either way, enjoy the freaking video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Press the like button if you want to. The reason why we're here today and the reason why this video even has started is because we had a scoop video and I said if y'all got 5,000 likes, we would make the exhaust 10 feet tall. Problem is, y'all did 10,000 likes. You know what? Rip to the flap. I remember I tacked it in place so no one could steal it. I'm gonna have to break that tack. Oh no, we're just bending the flap. We're just gonna do this. And the flap's just gonna help it hold up because the flap's not really doing much. I look about right? I guess I'll just tighten it. Nope. Oh. I'm always ready. All right, well, without further and his ados, let's go ahead and start.
You can't fuck with my energy.
That's one of those things that can't fall.
What happens if it does fall?
It flies.
Hell yeah.
Didn't mean for that to happen, but alright. I'm about to turn on the focus.
Keaton, can you press on the gas?
It's so high, dude. It's actually kind of hot too. We made it 10 foot tall exhaust. Why did we do this? I don't know. People on the internet wanted it and the people on the internet got it. Oh, here's my phone again. My phone literally is the most busted up phone. It's literally got lines and it's cracked everywhere. This is literally the most busted up phone. I've had it for such a long time. Dude, this is literally insane. So I said 5,000 likes and I'll make my exhaust 10 feet taller. Y'all did 10,000. So enjoy the video. Voila. I'm a bubble. This is the most wild thing. And the worst part is, it actually does well. This is the most wild thing. This is so weird. I'm straight ghost riding the whip. There's a drone right there and everything. This is the weirdest thing. Just leave her in second and she'll drive. I'm legit gonna ghost ride the whip. Oh no, my wallet. Bruh, this is literally the funniest thing in the world, son. Dude, there is no one inside of this car right now, Junior. All right, back inside. Now I get to turn around. What's up, YouTube? I'm ghost riding the whip. All right. Dude, there's no one in my car. I'm the only one manning my car. And there's no one inside of it. See if I can't NASCAR into it. We got this. Yeah. Why does this work, dude? Well, guys, this is just one of the things that we wanted to do. Bro, Keaton got a new drone. By the way, this is Juan Pablo, otherwise known as Keaton, but I call him that because it's funny. But he's been the one editing the videos recently, so. That's the most wild thing, son. I put 10-foot exhaust on my car because the internet gave me likes. Shift linkage. I need to take the motor mounts off. We'll do that in another video. It's literally a fence post. Fence post is literally attached to my car. This is great. Just chilling in traffic. Ain't no one care.
Look at it. Look at it. She didn't look at it.
No one looked at it. Do you get good service from that thing? Yeah, I do. You did it. You just opened the tractor flap and welded it.
Hey,
Does it
move
still
the tractor
rattle?
flap up there.
No,
Please move the tractor flap.
I welded the tractor flap to that section of the pipe.
Dude, that is so hot.
Well, I mean, it's my exhaust. I mean, I
Yeah,
drove
but
all the
like,
way
it's
here
still
just
just
like that,
hot.
bro. I'll catch you if it falls. All right, now we put a fat tip on it.
Cast down on this.
It might fall. Oh wait, no, what are you doing? You just gotta eat it, bro.
Oh, okay. All right, that works.
Yeah.
That's not gonna work.
Oh, man.
At least a little.
Oh yeah.
Until it blows.
You want to go on? Oh no, oh no, oh no.
We're good, we're good.
Oh, shit.
All right, try it again.
Catch it with my mouth.
All right, 3, 2, 1. So, in theory, we learned when you put a ping pong ball inside of a fence post that you weld to your exhaust, you have a little cannon that you can make. 3, 2, 1. Oh my! Dude! Come on!
I had my mouth open and everything.
All right, so you just boop-bop that in there, turn the car on. He's trying to catch it with his mouth. That was good. That was good. I'm pretty sure I got it.
That's pretty close.
Dude.
Why would you make a manual car with no tachometer?
Because Ford. That's the only, I mean, why why would you? I don't know. It's a manual car with no tach. I don't know if many of y'all have noticed this because I haven't shown many people, but it literally does not have a tachometer, son. You have speedometer, gas, and then temperature. You don't even have oil pressure. You can do a digital tachometer right there, but you have to press a button like 6 times before you start it every time. It's kind of whack. This thing is so cool. You want to try it one more time?
Yeah.
All right, one more time. Oh! Oh! That's my dog! Let's go!
I'm gonna run out.
Let me know my mouth. I don't want to.
Yes! Why do we have the best launcher?
Don't see me.
Except you don't have. It sounds like
I think it's better than the factory design. Cruising through downtown. Let's see. It's our nice town. This is the best thing ever. I'm so happy that this is real. All for some likes, man. 30,000 likes and we'll make it double the height that it is now. Because y'all hit 10,000 way too fast, and like 10-foot exhaust, that's somewhat doable. Doubled that, there's way more that goes into it, so we're making it 30,000 likes. Well, we had a lot of fun with the exhaust the way we did, but all good things have to end because I don't know how much longer we're gonna get away with that driving down the road and regular just occasions through the road. However, like I said, 30,000 likes and we'll do this again with double the length of this, and that's about the deal. Let me go ahead and cut this exhaust off so we have a regular exhaust again. All right, let's hear it now. Let's see what she actually sounds like. Man, it finally sounds good. This is great. Like I said, 30,000 likes. We're doing exactly what you know what to do. You already know to subscribe. You already know to like the video because I freaking love y'all. Thank y'all for watching and making this happen in 10,000 likes plus. Let's do 30 and let's make it even better. Somehow we ended up rallying in the focus. I don't have my camera, so we're using the phone. Y'all just get a first-person view of what I do. There's some mud right here. There we go. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. She looks like a proper rally car now. What the hell? Come on, Scoot. That's gas. I was wondering why it was misfiring. Man, it's leaking gas out of that valve. Gosh dang it. My car's on freaking E. Oh, it's literally dumping gas out. Oh my gosh, I gotta turn this thing off so I can make it to the store. There's son. I need to make a gasket for it, but I'm on like the most E, and We're out in the middle of nowhere. We're gonna see if I can't get home. Even on now, we're just coasting. Finally getting gas. Thank you very much. Have a great one. Remember to freaking send and be great.